Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to be unboxing and giving you some first impressions of the JerryRigEverything knife. This is a razor knife by JerryRigEverything, a YouTube channel that we really admire here at Tech Travel Geeks because Zach and his team work on taking new consumer electronics and any other products to pieces and testing their durability. It really is fascinating stuff, and by watching his videos we've learnt a lot. So when Zach tweeted about the JerryRigEverything razor knife, I decided it was a good idea to not only support this initiative, but also get a product that will make the unboxings and the videos on Tech Travel Geeks slightly better. One of the bits of feedback we've had in the YouTube comments has been that I maybe take a little bit too much time in opening packaging. I could do with a sharper knife. I have been using a pair of very old orange blunt scissors up to this point. So let's have a look at what arrived after I ordered this parcel. Just to let you know, it did take a while for the JerryRigEverything razor knife to be delivered after I purchased it. This was probably due to multiple factors, but also the Christmas period. But now that we have it, I'm going to unbox it and we'll go ahead and see what it's like. Now the packaging is very simple. In a way it reminds me of Aukey's electronics products. Very simple, obviously recycled cardboard, and there's a few details here. It's designed by Zach, so great starting point here. It features, the features of the razor knife are that it's sharp, it's metal and it's durable. It cuts everything. That's good to know. I will see how it works in Premiere Pro on my 4K monitor. And it scratches at a level 5 with deeper grooves at level 6. So that is a reference to how durable it is. That's good to hear. Now, other things. It has Zach's JerryRig Instagram and Twitter handle here. We'll put that in the video description if you want to follow Zach. It's really a fascinating account, and we can only recommend you go and follow, and that's about it. So let's open up this packaging. Oh no, there's some sellotape here. And here, I'm struggling to open it. If only I had a knife to do so. Let's see if we can get my nail under sellotape. See, this is what the knife will hopefully solve soon. Here we go. So I've opened the top of the box. Let's see what's inside. Wow, okay then. So that's everything that's inside the box. The box is empty. We'll put that aside for now. So, what do you get in the box? You get the JerryRigEverything branded razor knife. So you can see there's a clip here, which will be handy if you want to put it on a belt or something. And it's heavy. It has a lot of heft to it, which is good, because that's what you want. You don't want a knife to be too light, because otherwise you'll potentially make a mistake in how you judge your use of it. And at the bottom it's pretty plain, but I do like this sort of alternating lines within the grooves here. So you can see that there's different ones, and it's got some good grip to it. And I say that after having just moisturized my hands, so that's good to see. And so that's the initial impression. There's a little loop here if you want to put it on a lanyard, which would be potentially very handy. And the knife itself, let's see how that works. So you just pull it out, and there you go. It clicks open. Now the key of this knife, and we obviously do not recommend you use this whilst traveling by air. You shouldn't be carrying this type of item in your hand luggage, but if you put it in your hold, it should be fine. But do check the local regulations of where you're traveling to and where you live to see if it is acceptable to have this type of product. Now, very nicely, there's a little plastic protector on the razor blade that's there, and that's the key feature of this product. Rather than having a knife with a single blade that will eventually wear out, what you do here is you take spare blades, and you see there's a packet of them here. You can buy these are classic razor blades. You can buy them in any hardware store or convenience store. It's a very common product. And you'll see there's a little clip here so that you can remove the blade and replace it. So that's really quite handy to reduce the amount of wastes once the blade dulls, because you'll be replacing just that little bit of the blade. So this is the sort of knife that you'll likely have for life, and I'm sure it's well put together. It feels really solid. There's no creaking in it. So I'm going to remove the plastic protector for the razor blade that was already installed, and let's test it on something. What shall we test the JerryRigEverything razor knife on? So I think one of the first things we'll test it on is the packaging to that itself. I was obviously struggling with the sellotape at the top here. Let's try and see how it handles that. Now I'm going to point the blade away from me, and that just cut through like a hot knife in butter. It was really simple. I have felt practically no resistance there. So that's really good to see. Let's try the cardboard itself and see how it handles it. Okay, that is a little bit more resistance there, but it definitely cut through very, very easily. So first impressions are great knife. It does the job. Now, there's no instructions here, but I'm assuming that I can just close it by pressing on the bit here to release the blade. So if I press that, it opens up and it clips closed. Interesting. So first, yes. So with the blade as I had it, so it's pointing out a little, it doesn't close completely, but you press down on this bit to release the blade and clip it in. That's definitely the case. So there is a little bit of resistance here at the end where the blade is. That's where that structural part is that has the lanyard hole or the clip hole. That's fine. I'm happy with that. I think that this is fine. I haven't seen any other issues with it. Obviously, without instructions and being a newbie to the knife world, what I probably will do is maybe put some WD-40 in it to see how it handles things. But I have to say, overall, nice little knife to do unboxings with. So, thanks to Zach from JerryRigEverything. I have to say, nice first impressions, good little knife accessory. I'll pop the link in the description on where you can purchase the JerryRigEverything razor knife. At the moment, it is not in stock, but you can order now at a discount. It's around about $15 US, and have it delivered once it starts shipping at the end of January, which is just a few days away. Be warned that if you are ordering for delivery to the UK, it may take slightly longer. And so there we are. That was the unboxing and first impressions of the JerryRigEverything razor knife. So thanks for watching this unboxing and first impressions of the JerryRigEverything razor knife. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you're interested, I would say check out the Tech Travel Geeks merch store, which is on the shelf under this video. If you're looking for some cool t-shirts, face masks, or any other accessories we have in our store. Merchandise is something that Tech Travel Geeks do, but so do other YouTube channels. If you would like to support your creators, please do consider purchasing some of their useful accessories, such as these really cool Super Saf sunglasses by Super Saf Style. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you made it this far, according to YouTube analytics, you're one of the few out there who did. Congratulations, you're in an exclusive club. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye from us.